Welcome to the monologue series. Today, we delve into the critical issue of confronting terrorism, uniting against a global menace. Let's explore this topic in depth. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to address a pressing issue that affects our world profoundly: terrorism. Terrorism is not just a word, it's a menace that disrupts peace, instills fear, and inflicts unimaginable pain on innocent lives. It's crucial that we understand the complexities surrounding terrorism and work collectively to combat it. Firstly, let's define terrorism. Terrorism can be described as the unlawful use of violence and intimidation, especially against civilians, in the pursuit of political, religious, or ideological goals. It's important to note that terrorism knows no boundaries. It occurs in various forms across different regions, cultures, and ideologies. Terrorist groups often operate with twisted ideologies, manipulating vulnerable individuals to carry out heinous acts. These groups exploit grievances, real or perceived, to justify their actions. Whether it's religious extremism, political ideologies, or separatist movements, terrorists use these causes as a facade to justify their brutality. The impact of terrorism is profound and far-reaching. Beyond the immediate loss of lives and physical destruction, terrorism leaves lasting scars on communities, economies, and societies. It undermines trust, destabilizes governments, and fuels social unrest. Furthermore, the fear instilled by terrorist acts restricts freedoms, disrupts daily life, and perpetuates a cycle of violence and retaliation. Addressing terrorism requires a multifaceted approach. Firstly, we must enhance international cooperation and intelligence sharing to disrupt terrorist networks and prevent attacks. By pooling our resources and expertise, we can strengthen border security, track terrorist financing, and apprehend individuals involved in terrorist activities. Additionally, addressing the root causes of terrorism is paramount. This involves addressing socioeconomic inequalities, political grievances, and promoting tolerance and understanding among different communities. Education, economic opportunities, and social inclusion are powerful tools in preventing radicalization and extremism. Furthermore, we must uphold the rule of law and human rights in our fight against terrorism. Upholding these principles distinguishes us from the terrorists themselves and ensures that our response remains just and effective. We must not compromise our values in the face of terror. As individuals, we can also play a role in countering terrorism. By rejecting hate and intolerance, promoting dialogue and understanding, and standing in solidarity with victims of terrorism, we can undermine the narratives of hatred and division propagated by terrorists. In conclusion, terrorism is a grave threat to our world that requires a concerted and comprehensive response. By addressing its root causes, enhancing cooperation, upholding our values, and fostering resilience, we can overcome this challenge and build a safer, more peaceful world for generations to come. Thank you.